Absolute Dental cut time from 4 to 6 hours per design to 1 to 3 hours while increasing accuracy and lowering required expertise of personnel. We extracted expert knowledge in order to build corresponding constraints and tools on top of our LightningCAD framework. This software produces seamless automation within a 3D space to create toolkits for reconstructive dental surgery. This process not only drastically reduced design time and labor cost, but also provided advanced organization and version control while reducing human error. This program operates in the cloud to make it more accessible to a wider audience and delivers files ready for 3D printing. The LightningCAD framework lends itself to a wide variety of applications that have geometric variability. With outputs custom to your specific industry needs, we have seen a consistent 30% ROI or more, helping businesses take their expertise to a new level and helping professionals invest in what they do best. Don't see your solution? Get in touch with us today for a free consultation. How can we amplify your expertise?